Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to properly uninstall or delete parallels from your MacBook. If you find it useful, like the video and subscribe the channel. First of all, you need to make sure that copy of Windows 11 you are running in Parallels is turned off. To do this, click on the Parallels icon at the top, select Action and then choose Stop. You can also shut down. Both works well. In the menu, click Stop again to confirm. Next, you need to quit Parallels. To do that, right click on the Parallels icon and select Quit. Now let's delete Parallels from your Mac. Open Finder, switch to Application tab, locate Parallels and select it. Then click on the file and choose Move to Bin. You will need to enter your user password to confirm this action. After that, click on the Go option at the top and select Home. Here you will find Applications Parallel folder. This contains all the apps you have installed in Windows 11. You will also see another Parallels folder. It's a package which contains all the necessary components of the virtual machine. In my case, it's around 27 GB. What you need to do is move both of these folders to bin as well. Finally, empty the bin. You can also delete Windows 11 shortcut if you have one. In case the Parallels DMG package is still mounted, like in my case, select it, click on the file and choose Eject. And that's it. This is how you can completely uninstall or delete Parallels from your Mac. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.